Let us open your Printify account and let me help you connect it with your existing Etsy account. Now, for opening your Printify, you can use an existing Gmail by passing the password. You can just click sign up, or you can use your preferred email with its own password for Printify. For me, I always use a separate email with my own password. This is the next step after you are successfully signed in. It will ask you several questions. So there are 7 questions. The first question is, tell us about yourself so we can help you better. I am here to sell products, place bulk orders, order products for family or myself, something else, or not sure. You can click on any answer. Printify will not punish you for choosing the wrong answer. So there is no wrong or right answer here. The next question is, I am here to restarting my online sales, new to selling online, already selling online, something else, or not sure. Let's choose I'm new to selling online. This question is asking you if you are familiar with print on demand. Print on demand is not new to me, something else, or not sure. Let's say new to me. Next question is, I hope my new online business will be a side hustle. I'm not the owner, my main source of income, or it's up to you. For this question, it's asking you to describe yourself. Are you an NGO? Are you a content creator, artist, designer, agency? Not sure, something else, business, or individual? For this training, let's choose individual. Next question. Do you know which sales platform you'll sell on? So if you are selling on Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, it's up to you. If you are not sure, just choose I'm exploring. Next question. I expect to sell products in United States, Asia, Canada. For this training, we will click United States. This question is asking you if you already know your target audience. If you don't know your target audience yet, you can answer it's too early to say. I didn't know niches were so important. I'll look into it. I have no idea of who my target customers are, something else, or not sure. Final question. Where did you first hear about Printify? Let's say Facebook. What's next? Create your first product by choosing a collection. When you click choose collection, it will go to this page. It's asking you to create your first design, but you don't have to. If you are not ready, just click view Printify catalog. From this dashboard, you can now connect your Etsy shop or your Shopify shop. So there are 2 ways on how to connect your Etsy shop or your Shopify shop. You will see my new store, manage my stores, add a new store. So you can choose my new store or add a new store when connecting for the first time. Now it's showing you the options of all the platforms that you wish to connect. For this training, we'll click Etsy. And this is what I'm telling you earlier, that you should be already logged into your Etsy shop so you don't have to manually log in. But if you are not yet logged into your Etsy shop, just logged in with the email and the password that you use for opening your Etsy shop. Once you're logged in, it will redirect you to Etsy to answer a few more questions. Once you are done answering the questions from Etsy, you should now see your Etsy shop inside your Printify dashboard. And that's it. Now you are ready to design your first print on demand product.